Forgive me if some of these you've heard from others, but we have to be beaten over the head with this in order for it to get through.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to VidCon 2018, and today I am with...
Steve Dotto, Dotto Tech.
And what is your channel and how many subscribers do you have?
Right now, 190,000 subscribers. We are a tech channel. The last 4 years, I've been kind of building the channel and really enjoying myself.
So do you have maybe 3 tips generally that could help a channel improve their content and their overall brand authenticity today?
Yes. The number one, and forgive me if some of these you've heard from others, but we have to be beaten over the head with this in order for it to get through because they work. Consistent publishing. Let your community rely on you to consistently publish the same frequency, same time if you can, but deliver that. Consistent. That's got to be number one. I mean, and when you do it, you will be amazed. But it takes discipline. So be disciplined, do that. I think for me, the biggest second thing was to ask for the subscription, which is, again, seems everybody tells you. I still struggle with because I don't like taking time in the video for it, and I understand, especially when you're publishing as frequently as we are. So do we really have to say it? But it does make a difference. But more of a difference than that was engaging in a dialogue with my community. And part of that is making sure you're accessible. I think that people on YouTube, at least the size of community that we have, is that they don't want access to just your information. They want access to your lens. They want access to you.
Yeah.
Everything that I show, probably everything that we make, you can find somewhere else.
Absolutely.
Somebody else saying it.
Yeah.
And they might have said it better.
Yeah.
But the relationship that they build with you means that they've engendered trust with you. They built trust. You've built up trust with them. And so they then start to trust your perspective, and you provide them a fast track to understanding what it is you're talking about. The third tip I would say, what would be a good third tip? Third tip, edit ruthlessly. Edit ruthlessly. You'd be amazed at how much you can cut out, and the whole story still holds together.
Yeah.
As I'm hoping is going to happen with this interview.
Or we'll split it into multiple parts or something like that to get more value out of it. Yeah. Absolutely.
But edit yourself ruthlessly, and if you're the sort of person that's got you're a little uncomfortable about your on-air presence, don't edit the same day as you record. Let it sit for a few days, come back to it, and you'll be amazed at how much better it is in retrospect than how you feel when you first recorded.
Thank you very much for your time, Steve.